Thespa with Resin Bell here. Today I am going to be doing an unboxing. The Wizard's Vault box from Bibbidi boxes. This is something I've been wanting for a very long time, and I am very excited to open my very first Bibbidi box, the Wizard's Vault box. I first saw this box on the Potter Collector channel and was really blown away by the quality of the items that were sent and the fact that they kind of personalize each person's box, so not everybody gets the same thing every time, so that's kind of fun. It's kind of fun to open, and it's kind of fun to watch other people's unboxings because nobody gets the same thing, so that's pretty fun. So this is the Wizard's Vault box from Bibbidi Boxes, and it has such cool designs on it. So I'm just going to get into this unboxing and we'll see what happens. So I'm a Ravenclaw. I am wearing my Luna Lovegood dress from Hot Topic. And so I am really excited to see. Well, here is what it looks like inside. And this says, working hard is important, but there is something that matters even more, believing in yourself, Harry Potter. And my box was curated by Reagan. Thank you, Reagan. So I'm really excited to get into this box and see what's in it. So this is the Alohomora packing slip. We're not going to look at that just right now. And it has such a cute little Wizard's Vault seal sticker right there. So that's pretty cool. I love that. And we'll get in here. I am a Ravenclaw, but I don't know if it happened for this box because I was still trying to figure out their system, but they have a deal where you can say what house you're in, etc., or you can choose, you know, more than one house. And since I have a lot of different, we have pretty much one of each house in our family, so I changed it so that, you know, maybe I would get something, maybe the kids would get something, so it was kind of would be a surprise. But I think this first box, it's all Ravenclaw because that's what I had in it first. So we'll see. I'm seeing some blue Ravenclaw love right here. Oh, how pretty. Oh, look at all the crinkles. Crinkles. The kitties are going to have so much fun here, kitties. They are just going to be all over the crinkles. So the first thing I see is awesome. Like, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I don't have any of these kinds of bags, so this is really awesome. I mean, look how blue and how beautiful that is. That is just gorgeous. So this is a beautiful little backpack. It is so pretty. I love that crest and that work on there. So it kind of has little snaps on the sides so that you can get in there and pull it. Oh, let me have it. Here, kitties. Well, that's pretty. And then it has this kind of subtle designs on the inside. It is a really cute backpack style bag, and it is just adorable. This handle is so pretty. It's such a pretty color. You can see that. It's very kind of shiny looking. And I love all the glitter. I am a huge fan of glitter. Glitter is awesome. But then it says Ravenclaw on the side there, and that is just really, really pretty. So, the next thing is we have some Ravenclaw pins, and those are pretty cool. Yes, the kitties are loving the paper that I threw down on the floor for them. There is a Ravenclaw raven with a little blue diamond looking thing there. And then there's an R. It says Ravenclaw on the side. And then this is the Hogwarts crest. You can see that. It is really cool. Those are some really cool pins. I really like those. Those are awesome. Those are from BioWorld. Okay, and then the last thing, looks like we've got some some really cool Luna socks. We've got a package of socks. Let's see what we've got here. We've got Luna right here, which will go perfectly with my dress, so that's kind of fun. And then we've got this that says, "You're just as sane as I am." These are so cool. And this one says Luna Lovegood. And then this one says, "Keep away from the nargles." That is so cute. I love those socks. That is so awesome. And then this one has the Spectra specs all over it. So those are so cute. I love those, love those, love those. Those are just awesome. I love funky socks. I'll wear mix match pairs. Like, I love socks. So socks are awesome. So yes, that is the end of that box, and some really good quality items. This pouch is so beautiful. It is so well made, and just it looks nice, and it has all the glitter to it. And this will go so well when I go to, we have a Harry Potter con here in Northwest Arkansas called the Wizard's Way. And unfortunately, we had to cancel it this year due to COVID, but we're hoping that next year we'll be back to it, and everybody's still just very excited to go. So this will be going for sure. So there's some really cute, really quality items in this box. So let's check out the packing slip here. So the backpack is the Harry Potter Daniel Nicole Ravenclaw uniform mini backpack, and that is $78. And then we have the Harry Potter Luna Lovegood ankle socks, and those are $14.99. And then the Harry Potter Ravenclaw House Pride enamel pin set for $10, bringing the total to $102.99. And so, yes, so beautiful, beautiful items. Love the ones that were curated. I expect the next box will probably be a little different, maybe having a mix of houses in it. But this one is all for me because it's the first one. So I'm very excited. So yay, Ravenclaw! So, all right. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Hit that like button and that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.